Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope you must be fine. I'm your teacher, Saima Manzoor, and again I'm here for you with the new lesson of Oxford Progressive English Workbook. As you can see, this is the front page of Oxford Progressive English Workbook. This is your workbook which you are having in prep class. So let's do its first lesson. As I had given you the previous work, hope you must have done that. So this is the page number. Let's see which number is this page number. This is the next page of your book. So we are going to do this. Ask and answer questions. Okay, this is page number 11. This is page number 11, unit 2, lesson 2, listen and speak. Okay, you will listen and speak, and you will ask the question and you can answer the question. And this is ask and answer questions. What's this? What's this? ये क्या है? Or what's who's this? Who's this? What's this? Or who's this? Okay. What's this? This is the sun. What's this? This is a bus. Who is this? Who is this? This is the man. This is a man. Who is this? Who is this? This is Pizza. This is the girl. Her name is Pizza. Who is this? This is Adam. Who is this? This is Ali. Who is this? This is Ali. What's this? What's this? This is a bag. This is a bag. Who is this? Who is this? This is Mama. This is Mama. What's this? These are mangoes. These are mangoes. What's this? What's this? This is a van. This is a van. What's this? What's this? These are bananas. What's this? These are bananas. What's this? These are oranges. These are oranges. What's this? What's this? These are apples. These are apples. So this is the question and answer. You will listen and speak, and you will also learn how to ask the question about the objects, about the persons, and you will ask who is this when you will ask about the person, and you will ask what's this when you ask about the things or objects. So this is the session of question answer. You can also practice question and answer at your home also from your mama and baba, and this will help you in learning how to ask the answer and questions in the daily routine. Okay, game. Who is this? What's this? As I have told you, you can do it in your environment. You can ask from your mama and baba, what's this and who is this? About your relatives, you can ask who is this, and about the things around you, you can ask what's this, mama, what's this, baba, and who is this? So sing a song, Mr. Thumb. As you can see, the boy is showing you the thumb, and this is the song, Mr. Thumb, where are you? Mr. Thumb, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Here I am, how do you do? As you have listened this song before, because this is all about the fingers. So this is finger one, finger two, finger two, finger three, finger four. These are all the fingers, and this is your thumb. Okay, you umbrella and umbrella, you will trace the you up. Okay, let's do the next page. Page number 12. Unit 2, lesson 3, word a. A is used for one person, one thing, as you can see in the picture. When you say, as we have done in this page, that as you can see, a bus, ek bus, a man, ek aadmi. So same like this, they have told us to do the use of a or a. So this is, as you can see, a bag is here. So they are asking us to match and trace the words. I have done the tracing before. You will do the tracing on your own. So this is a bag. One has been done for you. A bag, bag. This is a man, a man, a man. Trace it and match it with a man. A pen, a pen. I have done the tracing so that you could know that I have done the tracing. I have not written it. I have traced on the dotted line. So I have traced in this form. So you can see that I have traced it. I have not written on it. I have not written on my own. I have traced these words. A pen, match it with the pen. A pen, pen. A bag, I have already done that. This is already done for you. A van, एक van. A mean एक. A mean एक, yani one van. A van. Okay, let's do B part of this. Trace and complete the sentences with words from exercise A. Okay, exercise A, we have done this over here. So number 1, the man has a dash. What is man having? Man has a van. So we will write van over here. Van. We will trace this this sentence. The man has a van. Number 2, mama. Mama has a pen. Mama has a pen. Okay. Sarah has a, what Sarah is having? Sarah has a bag. Bag. Sarah has a bag. The dash has a hat. This man is having a hat. So we will say the man has a hat. The man has a hat. Okay. Draw a van, a pen, and a bag in your book. Label them. Okay, this is your homework. You can do it on your copy or as well. In English copy, you can draw a van, a pen, and a bag in your book. There is no space in the book. You will do it in your copy. This is your homework. Draw a van, a pen, and a bag in your book and label them. Okay, you will write their name underneath that. Okay, so let's, you will do Viva. You will trace this Viva van. Okay, let's do the next page, page number 13, count and read. Unit 2, lesson 4, words more than one. Okay, these are the words more than one as we have done before. We have written a man, a bag, a pen for the one thing and for the one object, for the one person. Over here you can see more than one things are showing to you. One woman, 2 umbrellas, 3 necklaces, 4 pens, and 5 insects. 5 insects. These are in the different numbers. So we are going to read them. We will count them and we will read them. 2 umbrellas, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 necklaces. 1, 2, 3, 4 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 insects. When we will do the more than one things, we will put S at the end of the word. Okay, let's do B part. What are they? How many are there? Use these words. Okay, these words you are going to use underneath the line, underneath the pictures. Bags, vans, pens, rats, and cats. So let's see what they are asking us. This is a rat. So one rat is here. We will write one rat. Okay, 1, 2 vans are there. You will say 2 vans. Okay, 1, 2, 3 pans. Pans are there. So we will say 3 pans. 3 pans. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags. 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cats. 5 cats. Same like this you are going to do, and W war you will trace according to the given instructions. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 is written over there. Okay, this is the next page, page number 14. Page number 14. Unit 2, lesson 5, sentences more than one. This is already, you can see we have done this, but again, this is the revision of the previous concept. 3 apples, 2 oranges, 5 bananas, and 4 mangoes. Okay, this I have traced the words as they have told us, trace the words and write the numbers also. So I have written the numbers also, and I have traced this word. Okay, B, write how many there are in A. Write how many there are in A. Acha, this is your notebook, in notebook, but you are not supposed to do it. You will, example, there are 3 apples. You can also write in your copy, but this would be difficult for you. If you can do it, you can do it. There are 3 apples. There are 2 oranges. There are 5 bananas. There are 4 mangoes. You can do in your copy, and they have told you write how many there are in A. This A, how many there are? 3 apples are there, 2 oranges, there are 2 oranges, there are 5 bananas, there are 4 mangoes. You can write in your copy. C part, answer the questions. Yes, they are, or no, they are not. You are going to give the answer according to this. Yes, they are. No, they are not. Okay. They are asking us, are they mangoes? Are they mangoes? Are they mangoes? No, these are apples. So we will say, no, they are not. No, they are not. I have traced it. I have written it. These are tracing. Sorry. I have written it for over here for you. Number 2, are they necklaces? Are they necklaces? Yes, they are necklaces. So we will write, yes, they are. Yes, they are. Because they are the necklaces, as you can see in the pictures. Okay, the next number 3 is, are they insects? Are they insects? No, they are not. No, they are not, because these are the umbrellas. As we can see, umbrellas are showing us in the pictures. So these are not umbrellas. These are umbrellas, sorry. These are umbrellas, but these are not insects. No, they are not. Okay, are they eggs? Yes, they are eggs. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. You will trace it over here. Okay, next page is Unit 2, Lesson 6, Words and Phonics. Phonics word wa and when. Okay, phonics word wa and when. Ma and man, you will match it with the man. Pa and pan, you will match it with the pen. Ba egg bag. Bag, you will match it with the bag. I have not this one for you, not done this one for you. You can do it on your own. This is very easy. You will read these words and match it with the related picture. This is not difficult work, so that's why this is your task. You can do it on your own. Sight words. These are a little bit difficult words, more than 3 letters. It consists of more than 3 letters, so you can do it with the help of recognition and with the help of your mama. What is written over here? Sight words. Insects. Where is the insect? Insect is here. You will match it with this insect. Insect is written over here and insect is drawn over here for you. Umbrella. 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 Umbrella is here. You will match it with this word as I am showing you with the arrow. Woman. 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 Woman is here. This one is woman. You will match it with this woman. Egg. 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 This is easy to read. You will match it with egg. Sun. 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 This is sun. You will match it with the sun easily. This is your task. You can do it easily. Okay, this is a answer the questions. Yes, it is. Or no, it is not. No, it is not. Is it an egg? Is it an egg? क्या ये एक अंडा है? तो आप यहाँ से you will look at these phrases and you will do it. You will look at this and write it over here. If it is an egg, you will say yes, it is, because egg is drawn over here for us, as we can see. Number 2, is it a pen? Is it a pen? क्या ये एक pen है? No, this is not. This is an apple. So again, is it a pen? No, it is not. No, it is not, as I have done for you. Okay, number 3, is it an insect? Is it an insect? क्या ये एक insect है? Yes, yes, yes. So we will write from here. You can see from here. Yes, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, number 4, is it an umbrella? Is it an umbrella? No, this is not an umbrella. This is a banana. So we will say no, it is not. We will write it over here. No, it is not. No, it is not. Number 5. Is it a bag? Is it a bag? Try to read it on your own with the help of you will see the video. Is it a bag? क्या ये एक bag है? Yes, it is a bag. So we will write yes, it is. Yes, it is. So this is, you are going to trace S over here. Okay, this was your lesson all about, today's lesson all about, today's pages all about homework. I have told you to do page number, you can do on your copy, this one. This one. Draw a pen and a bag in your book. Label them. This is your copy work. You will do it on your copy. So thank you so much. Inshallah, see you soon in next video. Hope you will do your homework. And thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.